Ba't lang ma'am, saan mo nakuha yan ma'am?
Yung ano?
Yung ganda mo.
Ay! Ano ba kuya?
Hindi, totoo nga. Ma'am, where did you get that?
Where we get that?
That beauty. Oh.
I'm a half Dutch, half Ifugao.
Sure? You are
Yeah,
huh?
really.
Wow. I didn't
That's
expect
always there.
that.
It's
Yeah.
native.
You look like Zoe. Yeah. Ma'am, wait lang ma'am, saan mo nakuha yan?
Yung.
Yung ganda mo.
Ay, sorry. Wala, sa parents ko.
Wow.
Okay, game.
Hey ma'am,
That was awesome.
where did you get that ma'am?
Huh?
Where did you get that?
Get what?
That beauty.
Oh,
You're so gorgeous ma'am.
thank you. From the Philippines.
Yeah, wow, that's why you're beautiful. Ma'am, where did you get that?
What?
That beauty. You're so gorgeous.
Hi, I'm Giselle from Manila. Please follow Sokatan ko. Hi,